first thing you do is just break up the soil a little bit, or loosen up the soil a little bit. Then just rake it out a little bit and just rake the clods to one side. Then here's the butterfly mix called Save the Monarchs. And I just broadcast it, which means to sprinkle it onto the soil. Like that. And then I just sprinkle it a little bit with the sprinkler. I generally try and keep seeds sprinkled every day until they are germinated. So thanks a lot. If you like this video, thanks a lot, and try and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.